What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of The Scuba Driver. My name is Steven. Today's going to be a fun video because we've got some new car parts to put on the Widebody FRS. If you guys saw one of my last videos, we finally got the Widebody kit painted. It's looking awesome, but kind of have a few other things I want to put on there until we decide what we're going to do next with the car. But anyways, let's jump right into today's video. Now, it's always an exciting day whenever we get to put new parts on the car, and these are some of my favorite videos to make. But anyways, the car is looking awesome. Still got a few little adjustments to do here and there, but really been enjoying it. This kit gets extremely dirty, so I've only cleaned it once or twice since I've put it on. Anyways, probably at the end of the video, I'll get the car all washed up, but we'll see how it goes. Anyways, let's jump into it and see what kind of parts we're putting on. All right, so today I decided to put on the APR Performance Formula GT3 carbon fiber mirrors. These are something that I've always really wanted. I just would have preferred to have them on a wide body car, which is why I finally went ahead and did it. Anyways, let's take a look and see what mirrors I got on, and then we'll unbox these. All right, so if you follow me on TikTok or my YouTube shorts, you'll know that I've got some carbon fiber GT3 mirrors by APR. Now, I know I'm gonna unbox these, but I've already unboxed them, and I've actually just practiced and assembled one of them. I believe this is gonna be the passenger side mirror, but these things are absolutely awesome. They're very small, not as lightweight as I thought. I mean, the actual carbon fiber piece itself is really light, but the base is metal, very heavy. It seems pretty sturdy. I'm just kind of interested to see how these are gonna look on the car. And having a mirror that's this small, for instance, I'll show you guys a comparison with this and the ones that are on the car right now. All right, so if you've been following the channel for a while, you'll know a long time ago, one of my first videos, I installed some carbon fiber mirror caps. I've actually had these re-clear coated before, probably about 2-3 years ago, something like that. But they're starting to peel as well. But you know, these have been really awesome going over the stock mirrors. But as you can tell, here's like a slight comparison of the mirror size itself. It's gonna be a pretty big change. These are gonna look awesome on the car, give a little bit more of that GT style look. Anyways, we're gonna pop these mirrors off and see how easy these go on. Oh, hey, it's me. Also want to take a minute to show that the packaging actually was pretty cool. You know, everything comes nice and wrapped up. They give you all the necessary hardware, some APR Performance brochures, and some carbon fiber care as well is included, this is pretty important. I haven't done that great of a job in the past. And you got some APR stickers. I might put those on the mirrors, but probably not. We'll see how they look. All right, so I've never actually taken the mirrors off of my car before, but we'll start with the outside. I've already started getting this a little loosened up here, but there's gonna be a little cover on the bottom here. You're gonna wanna gently pop that off. Just try with the clip tool, but I'll try with a flathead screwdriver here. And should, yep, just kind of pop off just like. All right, that's gonna expose our bolts right here. And then we'll need to pop the trim panel off on the inside so we can unplug the mirror and loosen these from the back side as well. Also, it's a little tricky because my car has the vertical doors. So of course, this is as far as the doors open up. Anyways, I'm gonna need to pop the trim panel off and so we can get to the bolts right there. Another unique feature of the vertical doors is I can raise them up so I can be eye level with the bolts. All right, now that we've got our trim panel off, which is just a few screws and a clip, basically I'm gonna follow the mirror wire, which is this wire right here. Of course, I've already had this kind of peeled back because I've messed with these door panels so many times doing the Lambo doors. Anyways, you'll just peel that back, trace this wire. It's gonna plug in right here. So we're just gonna unplug this and then we'll fish it through on the other side. All right, I started taking out these bolts. I just left one on there just so the mirror didn't fall off. But anyways, you just take out these 3 bolts. I didn't use a screwdriver. I actually use a 10mm ratchet. Anyways, I'll go ahead and pop that one off and then we'll fish the wire through and we'll start mounting the new mirror on. So now that the mirror is off the car, it was a little tough to fish that pigtail out of there. But anyways, it's gonna be pretty straightforward. At least I hope it is. But these bolts should line right up with where our factory one went. Of course, we're gonna have to adjust our mirrors as we go, but you'll simply just use the supplied hardware to bolt this directly up to the door, adjust your mirrors, and then we'll do the other side. So even though it's pretty simple, I just figured I'd show you guys what it looks like to put one of these together. This is basically how it comes once you unbox everything. You've got your mount right here. Basically, this will just screw on to the base here. There's a tiny little Allen bolt right up top. You use a supplied Allen wrench. You unbolt that. This actually slides through the bottom of your mirror cap here and onto the top there. You use the bolt that you took out of, oh man, shouldn't have dropped that, but we're good. It's hard to do things with one hand. Anyways, yeah, you take this out. This will go right into the top here, and you use your supplied cap here to give it the black finish up top. Anyways, I'll put this one together and then we'll do the driver's side and I'll show you guys what it looks like. All right, so I've got both the mirrors on, and man, I really like the way that these things look. Check that out. I don't know, compared to the stock mirrors, I think it just goes way better with the wide body here. Also, having more carbon fiber on the car is always a good thing in my eyes, and I decided to put the APR decals on the side window there instead of putting them on the actual mirror, and kind of like the way those came out. But anyways, I'm going to get in the car and show you guys the viewpoint. It's not as bad as I thought, but it will take some getting used to. Of course, got the APR decal on this side as well. Anyways, we'll hop in here. And it's not terrible. I mean, they're really small. So, I mean, it's probably, glass-wise, it's probably half the size of the stock mirrors, but I've got them adjusted to where I want them pretty much. But anyways, I'm gonna get the car cleaned up and we're gonna have to decide what we're gonna do next. All right, so I'm on my initial test drive, and honestly, it's not horrible. It's a lot better than I thought it was gonna be. So anyways, I'm gonna get out to my normal spot and show you guys what it looks like. Made it to my normal spot out here, and it is just an absolutely beautiful October evening. But really happy with the way these came out in the car. Like I said, I've had my eye on these for quite a while, but just I thought that they would go a lot better with the wide body build versus the stock body, and I do believe that I was right with that. You can never go wrong with a little extra carbon fiber, so happy I went with a carbon fiber option, and I went ahead and put the APR decal on the side window there. But overall, just really happy with the way this thing is coming out. And with that, I think I'm going to end the video here. I've had a lot of recent growth, so if you're new to the channel, welcome. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. If you've been here for a while or since the beginning, can't thank you enough for all the support. It makes it a lot easier to film these videos knowing that I've got some people that really want to watch them. So thank you guys so much for being here. Can't wait to see where we go with this channel. Can't wait to see where we go with this car. I really do appreciate each and every single one of you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.